Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we are going to do a full face, pretty much a full face, of products that I've mentioned in gift guides. So whether it be the skincare or the beauty or the under 50, I'm going to try and show you a bunch of them and do this particular look. So if this look is something that you are interested in, stick around and we'll jump right in. Alright, so before we get started, as always, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed and these videos are of interest to you, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Before we jump in, I'm just going to give you an update on my knee. I have a new brace. I went and saw the orthopedic surgeon yesterday. Unfortunately, he doesn't have a lot of great news for me. I have to have an MRI tomorrow, which is not a big deal. But more than likely, he thinks I tore the meniscus pad. And when it locked, it literally was just pulling the pad. It's this really long, horrible story. So I have a new brace, at least that's not meant for a 6'2" man. But I'm over it. So I will keep you posted in the next video. So that's kind of the news. All right, so let's jump in. Let's remove all of this and start fresh. This is one of my skincare recommendations, which is the Peter Thomas Roth Hydrogel under eye gel. And I like these for a couple reasons. One, obviously they hydrate and moisturize and help get rid of those little fine lines. The other reason I like it is it actually acts like a little guide for my eyeshadow, like so that when my eyeshadow does fall, if it does fall, then it falls on here. I am going to use the Lime Crime palette. I think we have the solid gold and we also have the rose gold. What do I feel like? I'm feeling the rose gold today. I really love this palette. I've used it multiple times. So if you only have these 4 shades, these are the 4 shades I am going to use. I'm going to go ahead and use an primer, and I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. And I like this primer a lot. But if you didn't have a primer, it's not that big of a deal. So, into Angelic. There's this color right here. So I'm just going to do this all over the lid. Go ahead and take the same shade and go up above my brow bone and just really blend, 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 blend. And just bring that up and out. Small little circles. Go into Eternal. It's the darkest color here. And I'm gonna go right in the crease. Smaller brush and go into that same color. And now I'm just going to make a little V and concentrate that color in the outer V. Just like that. I'm just going to take it with my finger, super soft. And then I'm just going to pat it on the middle and outer edge. And then go back in and darken that outer edge again. It's beautiful gold color right here. And I'm going to put it on the inner corner of my eye. Smaller brush, and I'm just going to finely hit that area. I'm going to give my eyelashes a little curl. favorite lash primer, the Dior. This is beautiful. Just watch how these grow. I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Knockout. I'm just going to peel these off. Whew. Now, much more moisturized. I'm just going to let that sink in. Alright, so before I started, I did use the Go Pure vitamin C serum as well as the hyaluronic acid. I'm just going to put the moisturizer on. So now let's go ahead and put some primer on. Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter, so I'm just going to use a little of that and put that on. Since we're going to use the IT Cosmetics kit, I think I'm just going to use the IT Your Skin But Better Anti-Aging Full Coverage SPF foundation. This has the longest name. It drives me crazy. And a little tiny bit goes a long way. This is in the color Fair Light. And just this really luminous look, and yet it has, you know, nice coverage as well. And then I have a dampened beauty blender, and then I just kind of go back over and just kind of smooth it out. And then what's ever left, I just gently go under my eyes. I normally don't do that, but I'm trying something different. Because I felt kind of bad when I did my gift guide yesterday that I did not open this. And I was going to give it as a gift, and I'm like, well, but then y'all don't know how it performs because, you know, I've never tried their bronzer. So I was like, well, let's just try it. Right? Take the IT Bye Bye Pores bronzer. The color is Beach. Pretty. Look at that. So I say this would be a beautiful gift. And so it has two parts. Here it has a little tiny brush that I didn't even try using. And then it has the bronzer, and then it has a mirror. Use my IT Cosmetics. This is an angled brush that I typically use for my bronzer. This is the Heavenly Luxe brush number 4. So I sort of just tap it in there, getting most of it at the bottom, and then what I do is just, so it's sort of not just bronzing, but contouring as well. And you can see it's just a really pretty color. And we're just gonna warm me up, maybe make me feel better. And then I just use it a little bit down here. So I have that weak jawline. This is so, I mean, so pretty, right? And just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Into the blush, and this is in the color Je ne sais quoi. And this is the IT Bye Bye Pores blush. So this is a really pretty color. Let's see if you guys can see that. It comes with a little brush. It's just really tiny. So I'm gonna use it as a little blush brush. Say that 3 times fast. So I'm just gonna swirl it in here and tap it off. And then we're just gonna start here and work our way down to the little apples. Using most recently the Josie Maran Vibrancy concealer. I've been loving it. I had it in light, but I felt that it was too dark, so I recently got it in fair. And because I don't know if it's just the time of the year or what, but I have even more fine lines than I normally do. So I literally take the tiniest amount, see that? And I am gonna go way down, and with whatever is left, go under the eye. I'm really lucky in the sense that I don't have dark circles because I have everything else. So I just go down and along that trough, and then whatever's left, bring it across. Okay, and then I just dipped into the Becca under eye powder, and literally I'm gonna use the smallest amount again. I open my eyes real This is Laritzi Cosmetics. I had never heard of them. This is the bronzer stick in a contour stick in Aloha. And what I'm going to do is just my cheekbones, jawline, and then I can't do it in this little tiny monitor. And then just tiny bit down my nose. I love this. This is a Morphe brush. This is the AS11. Has two ends. I like this for contour just because I can really get under the jaw and get those cheekbones. Okay, here and under. And then it has a little tiny end to contour my nose. Brush, and I'm just gonna go into the lightest color, and I'm just kind of mimicking. So I'm starting in the center and working my way back. I'll go into the darkest shade and do the opposite, which is go from the outer corner in, really tiny one. And I'm gonna go into that gold where we put in the inner corner up here. I'm gonna put in the lower corner. Like that. Now, I showed you the little IT Cosmetics push pop. So in there is the superhero mascara. So we'll use that on the lower lashes. IT Cosmetics, Your Lips But Better. This is in Romantic Rose. Let's use the Bare Minerals. This was the Ethereal Nudes. I still think this is a good deal, even though I was not fond of the liquid lips. I love the mattes and I love the glosses. So let's do a matte, and I think we'll use Boss in the matte. I love this. It's very, very, very nice. IT Bye Bye Pores Illuminating Powder. This one's pretty too. Look, it's white. It's different. And this one has a mirror in it also, and a little spongy compact. And let me, so see, you can see it's just kind of a white, just kind of luminous finish, but not like, you know. Put it in there, dust it off, and then just set all this makeup. To finish it all off, and this was also featured the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Let's just set it and forget it. Sorry, couldn't resist. And there you have it. Let's go through it really quickly. The IT Bye Bye Pores collection with the bronzer, the setting powder, which is illuminating, and the Je ne sais quoi blush. Beautiful. I mean, that bronzer is gorgeous, the blush is beautiful, and that setting powder is perfect. Crime palettes. I am in love with rose gold. If you're not sure which one to try, they have 3 new ones: rose gold, the solid gold, and there's another one. I would go for the rose gold. I think it's beautiful, and you can create a perfect look with just those 4 shadows. The IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Again, I think they've really got their formula down because I've tried several now, and it's been excellent for the lower lashes. And then, of course, you know I love the Dior Primer, as well as the Lauder Sumptuous Knockout for the mascara. The lips, the Bare Minerals, awesome. This was Boss in a matte lip, beautiful. Setting spray, awesome. Foundation I'm wearing, IT Your Skin But Better CC. I'm in love with this. I do not like the illuminating, but this one, the full coverage anti-aging, beautiful. I think it gives the skin a gorgeous look. So that's it, guys. All right, so hopefully that helps you even make a more informed decision. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.